Hello there. There are two areas of concern when it comes to the weather across North America. We've got an area of low pressure, a weather front bringing more wintry weather to the Great Lakes onwards to eastern parts of Canada. We could see some snow from upstate New York all the way to New England. Wetter weather streaking down below that with bursts of rain that thankfully remain out to sea on Monday. It clears up for the southeast. Behind it, we've got our second area of concern. It's an atmospheric river pouring into the Pacific Northwest of the U.S. Western parts of Canada. We'll see a pulse of that heavy rain on Tuesday. Further south of this, a lot drier, but not as hot for California. We'll see temperatures start to come down for Los Angeles. Instead, they'll be picking up for Dallas before a threat of thunderstorms knocks them down towards the latter parts of the week. And there'll be some thunderstorms pulling in across the Yucatan Peninsula in Mexico and into Cuba from Monday into Tuesday. You can see those big bursts of rain. Further south of this, some more heavy rain to come for Costa Rica and Panama. Now, for South America, it remains exceptionally wet with a rumble of thunderstorms. They'll be picking up for northern Argentina on Monday. Hello there. Let's look to the Middle East. And as you can see from the satellite image, the dense clouds shows where we're seeing a spell of unsettled weather working its way across Iran, bringing some very heavy rain with a wintry edge to the northeast and more northern areas. Behind that, it looks pretty clear for much of the Levant. A trickle of rain coming in to western parts of Turkey, but largely settled with sunshine. Temperatures sitting pretty nicely in Ankara, 20 degrees Celsius. Now, it is set to get a little bit cooler across the Gulf and breezy. We have got some warnings out for some stronger winds that'll blow into Qatar into Tuesday. We are expecting some lifted dust with that hazy sunshine. It gets cooler before it gets warmer towards the end of the week. And temperatures will be picking up in the northeast of Africa for the likes of Egypt. Cairo goes up to 30 degrees Celsius on Tuesday. It remains very unsettled with strong winds bringing a threat of sandstorms and dust storms to the likes of Libya. And we've got some bits and pieces of rain rashing across Morocco and Algeria. But for the wettest of the weather, we have to head further south. Some more heavy rain will push from the DRC to Uganda, with wetter weather picking up in South Africa to Tuesday.